Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll do some commentary about my own YouTube video called Quotes About Autumn by Reading Gallery. I'm Reading Gallery, and why Autumn Quotes is part of season quotes compilation. I used to make winter and then spring and summer, and this is autumn. I think autumn is a season full of beauty, calm, charming, and lovely energy. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel for support and follow me on Instagram reading_gallery. Okay, the first quote is from Albert Camus. Autumn is the second spring when every leaf is a flower. Do you agree? I think because every leaf in autumn is turning red, and it's so beautiful and it's so bright, and you like it. And it is from Ernest Hemingway too. But there would always be spring, as the river would flow again after it was frozen. When the cold rain came and killed the spring, it was as though a young person dead for no reason. Autumn is like more, what is that called? Mature side. Meanwhile, summer usually are more into young. It's like imaginable. Autumn is the hardest season. The leaves are all falling, and they are falling like they are falling in love. Oh, that is from J.K. Rowling. Autumn seems to arrive suddenly that year. The morning of the 1st September was crisp and golden as an apple. Wow. Stephen King, Salem Lot. But when fall comes, kicking summer out in a treacherous as it always does one day, sometimes after the midpoint of September. There is some quotes here that kind of similar with September quotes compilation, because September is also about autumn and autumn is also about September. You know what I mean? Love the tree until their leaves fall off, then encourage them to try again next year. Wow, it's like metaphorical tree with people, I guess. It's very seasonal that every tree will fall its leaf on autumn and then become green again in spring and summer. That is from J.R.R. Tolkien. The Fellowship of the Ring. He found himself wondering at times, especially in the autumn, about the wildland and strange vision of mountain that he had never seen came into its dream. There is some people who say that autumn is like from another world, like leaf turns into red and everything seems like romantic falling, and the sky is clearer maybe than some other season. I think in some place you can see the moon in the autumn are very beautiful than another season. Delicious Autumn, My Very Soul is Wedded to It by George Eliot. And if I were a bird, I would fly about the earth in seeking the successive autumn. Maybe some people would love to imagine that they are birds and see which place in this world have a better autumn. No, not better, the best autumn. There is something incredibly nostalgic and significant about Annual Cascade of Autumn Leaf by Joe L. Wheeler. Right, I don't know. Yes? Virginia Woolf. I enjoy the spring more than autumn now. One does, I think, as one gets older. Like I told you before, autumn is like the mature season, and summer is more like youngster season. Like you can associate autumn with studying or serious kind of stuff. Meanwhile, summer is like more vacation and having fun. I guess. Let Misty Autumn be our part. The Twilight of the Year is Sweet by Ernest Dawson. The poem and prose of Ernest Dawson. It is enough to smell, to crumble the dark earth while the robin sings over again. Sad Song of Autumn Mirth by Edward Thomas, collected poem. You know, I think. Oh, wait, no, nothing. And the yellow sunflower by the brook in autumn beauty stood. Wow, that's a very beautiful words. I have to tell you that this video should not supposed to be commentary or something, because it's too fast and the duration is just not that much compared to so many long words attached in it. Actually, it's better be to read it out loud, because everyone wants their quotes to be reading it out loud, right? But you know, when YouTube says I need to do some commentary about my own video, I was like, why? If the visual is not engaging enough or is not authentic enough, because you know. Oh, it is from Leo Tolstoy. Just as a painter needs lights in order to put the finishing touch to his picture, so I need an inner light, which I feel I never have enough in the autumn. Leo Tolstoy is a very good author, you know. He is the one who creates War and Peace and Anna Karenina. He's Russian anyway. There is from Murasaki Shikibu, The Tale of Genji. Autumn is no time to lie alone. Yeah, there is some place like maybe Japanese that where, you know, when the autumns come, the moon is brighter and somehow looks very bigger than any other season, and people love to drink together, you know, drink a sake and gather together and just enjoying the beauty of the moon. I think fall colors are funny. They are so bright, intense, and beautiful. It's said Siobhan Vivian, same different. Autumn that year painted the countryside in vivid shades of scarlet, saffron, russet, and the day were clear and crisp under harvest sky by Sharon K. Penman. Yeah. I think autumn is a very good season to admire the sky. Oh my god, it's so bright, it's so beautiful, and then the leaf is also in a different color and it's so beautiful. Everything seems to this from Haruki Murakami, Norwegian Wood. The fragrance of the breeze, the tone of light, the tiny floor, in the grass, the subtle reverberation that accompanies sounds. All this told me that autumn had come again, increasing the distance. Wait, I'm not yet. Between me and the dead with each cycle of the season. You know, Haruki Murakami Norwegian Wood is a very amazing works, but I cannot. Not that I can. I never have opportunity to read Norwegian Woods. Anyway, maybe that's all for today. Rate this video by click on thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you dislike it. Stay safe and see you on the next video. Bye bye.